So today I'm going to be talking about why the ISTE standard Empowered Learner is the best standard. So first of all, the Empowered Learner standard states that students leverage technology to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating competency in their learning goals informed by the learning sciences. And basically what this means is that students are becoming an active role player in their educational advancement, which is a fairly new idea. What you want to be looking for when you are evaluating students to see if they are meeting this criteria is you want to see if they are articulating and setting personal goals and developing strategies and using technology to achieve these strategies. And they're also going to be reflecting on their own learning process. So students are setting their own goals. They know what they are capable of. As I will talk about in the next slide, students of the 21st century are amazing problem solvers and very observant and intuitive. Students want to make connections and customize their learning environment to fit their needs, and this could be something as basic as the way they set up their iPad to an app that they may need for accessibility reasons. They're going to be seeking feedback through technology, so you don't want to only give them face-to-face feedback, which is of course important, but on something that they have displayed online, you want to try and give them feedback through technology. And students need to understand overall concepts of operation, choice, troubleshooting, and most importantly, they need to transfer their knowledge to these emerging technology tools. So this quote is from a book called Education to Better Their World, Unleashing the Power of the 21st Century Kids, and it's from a chapter about globally empowered kids, and the chapter pretty much just goes over how 21st century children are a little bit different than being able to teach using more traditional methods. 21st century children go right for the problem. They are active problem solvers, and they need a system, an educational system that can meet these needs. So being educationally powered and being globally powered really goes hand in hand, because if they are globally powered and they are actively seeking to solve world problems, then we should be catering to that in our educational system as well. And we should be teaching our kids how to be empowered learners. This is a quote from Wankel and Blessinger, just talking about how technology implementation needs to be meaningful, and you need to back it with relevance. So you can't just use technology just to use technology. You really need to use it in a meaningful and educational way. This is more a reminder for teachers of why doing this is important, and really to better learners. Students do still need structure. You can't just put them into the world and say discover these things. They still need structure, and that's how you aid them in becoming their own learners and controlling their own learning. And this is just a list of my references. Thank you.